Unlock financial freedom, best ways to make passive income in 2024. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind and want to explore some best ways to make passive income? Well, get excited because today, we're unlocking the world of earning money while you sleep. We're diving deep into some of the most effective and realistic strategies for best ways to make passive income that actually work. These are all about building sustainable revenue streams and not chasing fleeting trends. Let's explore how dividend investing can lead to the best ways to make passive income. This is a time-tested method of generating income by simply owning shares of strong, profitable companies. You're investing in companies that regularly reward their shareholders with a portion of their profits. Those payouts are dividends. It's like receiving a regular thank you payment just for being a shareholder, leading to the best ways to make passive income. Another one of the best ways to make passive income is crafting and selling digital products. If you've got skills or knowledge that others want, this strategy lets you turn expertise into recurring earnings. Consider creating ebooks, online courses, templates, or even selling stock photos and videos. Once you develop a great product, it is sold again and again with little extra effort, presenting one of the best ways to make passive income. We move on to affiliate marketing, a superb entry point for those seeking the best ways to make passive income without inventing a product. You will essentially be promoting and selling for someone else. You make a commission every time someone buys using your unique link. Think carefully how you'll select the affiliate you work with, to maximize earnings and find the best ways to make passive income. Identify your niche, grow your audience, and then find relevant products to boost your profits. Real estate is a classic way to earn, and provides best ways to make passive income. However, traditional property investing often needs a large chunk of initial capital. Investing in REITs, or real estate investment trusts, can be a fantastic alternative. This approach lets you own shares in portfolios of real estate holdings, greatly reducing the barrier to entry and provides a more accessible best ways to make passive income. Our final exploration offers some truly creative best ways to make passive income: print on demand. Design awesome items like t-shirts or posters, and a third party takes care of the printing and fulfillment. You're free from managing any inventory, you only pay when a customer buys something. This model removes your startup requirements, offers you a new level of creativity, and generates the best ways to make passive income with minimum outlay. Now you are informed on 5 phenomenal ways, exploring some truly promising best ways to make passive income. You can transform your income streams. Always keep in mind that making a good passive income takes time, hard work and consistency. With that in mind, make an income that goes to work, and allows you to. Take a moment to like and subscribe, sharing this with anyone interested in the best ways to make passive income. Thanks for watching.